You'll recall from our last video that one of the goals of the 1 hour a month covered call trading system is to buy assets that can generate regular income through quarterly dividends and generate income through the skillful selling of covered call contracts every 30 days or so to generate income. Now, stocks that have options typically offer monthly option contracts that expire on the third Friday of every month. And you can buy or sell these contracts at will anytime the market is open, which is typically Monday through Friday with the exception of bank holidays. Now, we like to sell options each month to generate regular income and growth. So the best time to sell those options is sometime around that third Friday of the month, and we'll choose the option contract that expires closest to 30 days. After we have sold the contract and collected the premium, we must wait to realize the gain until either the option expires worthless or is exercised if it is in the money. Or we can buy the contract back from the market at the current option value, releasing us from our obligation and hopefully realizing a profit in the process. Selling the option contract takes just a few minutes to log into your account, follow the system rules, and select the right contract to sell by clicking a few buttons on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. While you're placing the trade, don't forget to fill out your trading journal and remember to set up price alerts to notify you if the stock price moves up above the strike price you sold or drops down below the break-even point. This will help you to manage the trade according to the rules of the system. Now, log out and go about your business. If your covered call needs attention, your technology will alert you, and you can take action. If your alerts never sound, there's no need to do anything other than to log back into your computer account before the third Friday of the month when the option expires and close your position and go ahead and open up a new one for the next month following the rules of the 1 hour covered call trading system. The whole process is really simple when you know what you're doing, and it really can be done in less than 1 hour a month. In our next video, we'll be talking about some of the most important details you need to know to benefit from this powerful strategy.